Alright, we'll do a little unboxing video. I've been waiting for these to get here. They're from Bear Creek Arsenal. And they are complete upper assemblies, 16-inch barrel, stainless steel, M4 contour. It's got the 223 wild chamber with the carbine link system. So, been waiting on them to get here. I got plans for them. One of them's going to get a thermal on it that I already have, and the other one's going to get a night vision that I already have. So the coyotes are going to be in for a rude awakening. Fold this back here. Decent muzzle brake. I'll probably end up changing it. No T markings. I could have done without the 15-inch, but I didn't see that they had a 10-inch available. So, since they're going to be used for hunting, I wanted a little bit lighter, but I can swap them out and use them on a couple of the other builds. I got a 458 SOCOM bolt carrier group and barrel that I just bought, along with the enlarged ejection port upper receiver. So I can't recall offhand what the square marking is, but I do know that upper receivers forged in the USA. And don't mind me. I was running some production water today, and I got the tank inches and truck mileage on my hand because I can't remember shit. That, and I'll lose a piece of paper. So both of these are identical. So, I don't know. I might shoot it and see how the recoil is with that. But those might get put on eBay and sold or something. I've been fighting allergies. I let all the weeds grow up around my house to keep the neighbor kids from walking through my yard this year. And it's really kicked my ass over the last month and a half. So both of these are the same. Should be anyway. Come with a nice sticker I can put on the back of the truck. See if it lasts longer than the cheaper than dirt sticker that I had. It lasts about 3 weeks. Yep, identical. I can't even remember how much they were, like $2.19 or $2.29 or something like that a piece. I think shipped they were like $4.59 or $4.58 or something like that. So hopefully they shoot some nice tight groups. But with night vision and a thermal, you're not going to get super accurate. So thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated.